Alright guys, so today we have the SCORPIUS REX. This is from Ultimate Damage, and these two are the Dino Escape, I believe. The last one had I painted some blue, I gave some blue highlights, but that SCORPIUS REX is gone. I turned it into a hybrid called the Hypsilophosaurus. It's like a green one with Hypsilophodon, but anyways. Okay, the reason why I brought this guys out because we finally have the Hammond Collection SCORPIUS REX. Got it at Walmart. I'm shocked that they have it there. I thought it would be a Target exclusive. But here's the DNA scan of the Ultimate Damage SCORPIUS REX. Alright, so you push the head down, it had a sound, but no buttons there except for this. Yeah, just one button. Yeah. And then the two, I already showed this to you on my last SCORPIUS REX video. So let's put this guys aside and we're gonna compare it later. And here we have it. Look at this, it's gorgeous. Sad thing is that they don't have a marble eye again. I guess the marble eye is gone. Mattel has moved on with that. Let's check the box. Whoa. It says, as the rain pours down, the SCORPIUS REX find the campers in their hideout. I see, and okay, so it has the logo of the Camp Cretaceous, which is good. Hopefully next year they'll do the Indoraptor. Same thing in the back. Comes with a, what's that, saliva in the mouth. And has extra hands in there. So let's unbox it right now. Check it out. It's a nice packaging. So cool. Sarpot is having a bad day. Didn't want to come with me here downstairs. Alright, let's unbox it. I'm so excited, guys. Oh wow, it's stuck. Okay. Uh-oh. Whoa, here it is. Nice. Look at that. Nice blue background. However, it looks like they exaggerated the teeth. Look at how it's all sticking out now compared to the rest, but we'll check that out later. Let's bring this guy out. Alright, so I got the scissor. There you go. I'm gonna unbox everything. Okay. Okay, it's out. And the tail. Let's snap it in. There you go. Okay. Okay, that's nice. It's rubbery. The quills are nice. The hands are actually soft. It's not sharp. It looks sharp, but it's soft. So definitely safe for kids. What else? Look at that bump right there. They colored gray. Totally different color. The bumps, or osteodermis as they call it, it's all different. It's all gray. That's good. They changed the color. Didn't blend it. Same as the arms. They painted it gray, which is good. Then the quills on the leg looks kind of weird. I could at least make it look like this. So, or is that a spike? I don't know. It looks weird. It looks weird. Let's compare it later to the other SCORPIUS REX. The talons are nice. Looks really nice and sharp. I don't know why it's so hard to articulate it. Oh, there you go. Oh wow, it's really hard. So, let's try one of the accessories, take it out. Okay, I took out one. Let's put it in. It's easy. It's not really that hard or difficult to take it out. It looks almost the same thing. It looks exactly the same except for this finger right here. It looks weird. I don't understand why. It looks exactly the same, guys. Super weird. Alright, now let's check for the neck and the head. Oh yeah, you can move it. Okay, that's good. It only has one jaw articulated. It goes down. But the teeth are so exaggerated. Super exaggerated. Okay, let's check out the Ultimate Damage. Look at the teeth compared to the newer Hammond Collection. teeth looks good. They put some like blood, anything, or stain, something like that. If you check inside, it doesn't open all the way now. So there's more osteodermis on the head part. The quills look good. Let's see the face. But I wish they stick to the marble eye though. Could have gone better. Okay, now let's try the saliva. Let's put it in. Whoop. I just can't make it stand. Okay. Ah. Okay, I got it out. Looks like a goo. Alright, let's put it in. Let's see what it looks like. I don't know, how do you make this work like that? Or maybe that way? I don't know. Okay, let's try. Okay, so I think I got it. It looks like that. Looks weird. Yeah, it looks really super strange. Yeah. Okay. Right. I think we'll just take it off. Yeah, right. That looks super weird with a thing on its mouth. Okay, we'll take it off. Now let's compare it to the others, the older Scorpius Rex. These guys don't have any quills on the head, and the teeth looks a little smaller. There. Not much teeth yet here, but compared to this monster right here, looks monstrous. Oh yeah, let's compare the thing on its back right there. Why does it look like this? Looks like a broken spike or a quill. But the ultimate damage is obviously a spike for some reason. Look at that. The older one looks like two spikes right there. There's like a small one and a bigger one. And the other Dino Escape, also the same. It's like two. Alright, so that's it. We got 4 Scorpius Rex now. I wish they made the talon articulate as well, like it can go down. Like this thing can move. I wish they thought about that. Because I remember the Hammond Collection, you can actually move the talons of the Velociraptor. But not this guy. Okay guys, that's it for the day. Enjoy this video, give it a thumbs up. Okay guys, thank you for non-stop support, and you guys have a good one now. We'll see you again next video. We'll probably do a dino reveal. Alright guys, have a good one. Thanks.